Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, this video was supposed to be made before I took my break, and it just never happened because I didn't want to do it. But if you watch my previous video, you know that this was gonna happen today. If you guys remember, Pat McGrath dropped her Valentine's Day collection, and in that she re-released the special edition packaging for the Divine Rose 2 palette. Now I only have the older palette, but I figured some people might have purchased that one, and I wanted to show you guys different ways to use the palette. So as with my other videos like these, I will be showing you 5 eyeshadow looks incorporating every single one of the eyeshadows in the palette. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're going to get straight into the tutorials. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable, and maybe the next one won't be as long a wait as this one was. All the makeup items that I used to put this makeup look together will be listed down below in the description box, but if you're interested in any one of my makeup looks, always be sure to check me out on Instagram. It'll be the first link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.